Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set or send quick decline messages smartphone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. Suppose if you are receiving incoming call, if you don't want to answer at the right time, if you want to send a quick messages to why you cut the call, then you can send a message. Okay, that is called quick decline messages. Okay, here you will learn how to set it. First of all, go to this dialer and go to these three vertical dots, click on settings here and click on quick decline messages. Here already quick decline messages, default messages will be available. You can use them. Suppose if you don't want to use these messages and if you want to use your own message, type your own message here and save it for future purpose. And here I just write, I am in meeting. I will call you back. This is what I have written, and click on plus symbol and it will be added. Okay, it has been added now. Okay, and go back. Now if you receive any incoming call, you can use that message, okay, to decline that call. Okay, so here I am checking. I am making a call from another phone, and just to decline this call, click on send messages and select the message, and that message will be sent to your caller, and also call will be cut. So in this way you can easily decline and send a message. Okay, this is called quick decline message. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.